You so excited for today?
Yeah, I did.
Guess what we're doing?
Look!
You know what we're doing. An Easter egg hunt!
Yeah! Playtime with Boogie!
Alright, you guys got your baskets?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta look for all the eggs. Get as many as you can. And then there's 3 special gold eggs.
Let's go.
And whoever gets the gold eggs gets a special surprise, okay?
Yeah.
All right, kids.
Let's go. No egg in there.
Okay, if you see an egg, put it in your basket.
I got him.
Oh, Caden, did you find a gold one? Good job. Okay, keep looking, bud. You found that one?
Hey. What's one of my eggs? In there? I found a good one.
What is it?
A structure. Let me see this. Number 3.
Yeah, number 3. I wonder what that means. You better hold on to it. Who is it?
That's Mater.
That's a cool egg.
Yeah, let's open him. I want to open him.
Okay, Caden, you got egg number 1. Let me see your paper.
Let's see.
Caden got egg number 1. Let's trade it in for his surprise. First up, we got prize number 1.
Yeah!
All right, Caden, let's see what you got.
I'm gonna take off them. and then is my and then the chain is bonus. Okay, let's
What
bring
is
it
it?
back.
What is it?
Batman! Jelly bean Batman. Jelly bean
Awesome.
Batman.
All right, Caden got number 2. So he's gonna go get number 2 surprise egg.
Mine. Just an egg. It's just a turtle.
Yeah, Boogie knows. A Ninja Turtle surprise
That's
egg.
mine. I'll open it. That's the bag.
Okay, Boogie got number 3.
Yeah, I got 2.
You got number 3.
I got 2 of 3. I got it.
All right. Okay, let's go open your surprise.
Yeah.
Really?
Picking it up. Hi.
Is it too hard? Caden, go help him open it.
This is car Ringo.
Who'd you get?
Ringo.
What kind?
Green and blue.
Green. Does he change colors?
Yeah. To the pay shop. Cut open this guy.
Yeah, we can open it.
And this one's mom's one.
Yeah.
Mama.
Okay, let's see what's in it.
Mom, this one's mine.
Got candy inside. Look.
Yeah.
They are
Ringo.
candies with Ninja Turtle faces on them.
My Batman. Batman jelly beans.
I'm Batman. These are my jelly beans. Ow.
Let's open Ringo now.
Okay.
Got it. Yeah. Yeah, open it.
Need help? Oh, you got it?
Cool.
He's cool.
Look, he got this. Let's see what you got. Ringo!
You got Ringo?
Yeah, let's put him in the cold water.
Okay, put him in the cold water. He turned green.
Yeah. Let's put him in the hot water.
What color is?
Blue. Thank you for watching. Have a fun day. Please subscribe. Bye, kids.
Please subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos. We post a new one.
Every day.
To subscribe, just push this red button right here. And don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. Thumbs up, dude.
You want to see more Cuss videos? Thank you for watching.
Oh, I dropped Thomas.
Oh, Mama.